was Apollo 8 image showing the tubes, the same one that our Peter Neal showing the moon is your worst nightmare, except that you don't have to do any Photoshop to enhance the image to show that. Look at that. Check it out. Look at that. Check it out. And what would you know? The geometry is there, clearly. And this is nothing to do with image stitching at all, no. Look how the line gets thicker here. And then goes straight down. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look, three-dimensional, it gets to it. This way, this way, this way. And then look, the same geometry it's just there. I mean, you cannot escape this reality, man. Look, there's another tube next to it, right there, and there's another one right there next to it. And look, they go into the surface of the moon. Exactly as I've been saying, that these crystalline structures permeate from all around the moon. How that kind of physics, I don't know, it got to be only celestial, because how the heck these people was able to fly orbits around the moon without getting destroyed, hitting this thing. That's just not possible unless this is some kind of physics where you become part of that energetic translucent deal, because that's what this is. It's on the ground and it hit all the way into here. From there on, you don't see the tube anymore. Look how far. That's it. That's as far as that tube went. Right there. Look. Look, that's as far as the tube reach. Right there. And then you see, what do you see here? The same thing, the hand. Oh my goodness. See, there's nothing there. The tube reaches right here. That's as far as that tube went. From a space. Look, from what would be a space. We're right here, that little, the skinny tube, and then the other skinny tube, almost in regular intervals. I mean, they're all over the place. It's just, and then there are, I mean, these are the crystalline structures, period. Look at this structure or object. Look at that. What is that? A damn hand or hands with the fingers inward. They just delete the image. I can see what it was. This image just being scrubbed down, side to side, up and down, but still the information is there. Look, you can see how the thing aligned perfectly. Oh my God, what happened? Oh, there's another energetic deal right there. A hand. With that. Just like in Enceladus. What is this? This is a hand with the fingers curled, holding something, exactly like him being showing. I'm not gonna do any drawing, just think of that shit. Anyway, look, more. Look at this tube right here. Wow, look, more tubes. Look at that. Oh my God, there's tubes everywhere. One here, one here, one here. They're all in intervals. Look perfectly, showing all the way into the moon, and this one is still going, and that one too, you can see several of them. And they only reach certain places, that's the crystalline structures. What I'm saying is how the heck these people was able to fly around this deal. This is something else. This structure and the physics and whatever this reality is here is a strange shit. We don't know what it is. You know how it is or what it is. I know what it looked like. It's just that. Look at that. Look at that. That's not an object. None of those things are objects. They're structures that are there. Well, the picture has been altered. Look, there's another hand right there. Look at it. Not just one hand, it's a bunch of them. Look, the thumb, but it has a tube sticking up. That's probably another hand coming in different direction. There's another one, and then you can see at the bottom there's several other ones, look, extending around, intercepting. And then look, the tube's still going, and this one is not in a perfect straight line. It curves to, so I'll tell you right there, that's not image teaching. Look, they're in an angle like that. Oh, I forgot this, the computer, this video card tends to go dark when you show something too dark. Look what's on the moon's surface. Same sculptures, essentially. And weird as one along with the normal ones. But see, the texture is all the same thing. But if you only enlarge this image the way I did, that's the size of the image, you would think that those are stars if you see it from this far away and that small. You would think that those are stars in the background. And that's what all these investigator idiots think. They don't think about enlarging the image and altering the settings or making it darker or brighter to see in dark areas. And that's the problem that I start finding on these so-called big-time investigators. They just were not doing their jobs right. And that started making me question all this deal that they were saying. Oh, impact crater, yeah. Well, I mean, if you know that NASA tampers the image, how the hell you gonna think that everything else they say is true? Golly, you have to be, that's what happened with me and Joseph Peacekeeper from Mars Anomaly Research.com. He say, oh, NASA tampered, okay, but how in the hell you gonna believe everything else that says in their data? And the images, so, I mean, get a Photoshop expert that can record the image to the right to get the missing information put back, like this Moonram 1959 did. And show a picture from Moonram 1959 works. He just didn't dismiss them. Oh, well, but those are not sanctioned by NASA. What? Man, NASA, you just say, you know that NASA tampers the shit and deletes stuff and erase stuff. Why would you go by what NASA put there and say that? He would not, he got mad, he just didn't wanna, whatever, and just quit working with him for that. And he didn't wanna get together with another investigator. But then realize that narcissism and you know, I'm right and you're wrong, that shit doesn't, you cannot collaborate with someone. And then he said, oh, but who's gonna get for the work, who's gonna get the reconnaissance, who's going to be recognized for the work, and say, oh, come on, man. Oh, they're going to steal my work. Oh, boy. You can work with somebody like that, man. That's just an idiot. That's an idiot, retarded mentality. And that's what you find with most people, most of those investigators, narcissism. And narcissism destroys humanity, is what it is. We won't cooperate with each other because, but I have to be recognized because that was my work, or part of that is mine, my material. Oh, shit. Forget that.